Hello, wonderful lady. I've decided to make you a video on how to create your VIP page on your Facebook. Okay, you can't do this on Instagram, but you can create a VIP page on Facebook. So I want you to go to follow my cues, and we're gonna do it together. And I'm gonna make a video using my Facebook page. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to share my screen so that you see how this is done. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. Yours probably looks the same. This is my home page. So when you're on your home page, you have several things. You have a column on the left that shows you all the groups you have in the feed. Then you have the middle of the page, which is your feed. Then you have the right side of the page where you have all your active friends. Now, when you're going to create a group, you're going to go to the left-hand side and you're going to go to groups. And at the top it says create group. So you're going to go create group and you're going to call it, I'm going to call it something, I don't know, Paulina's Mary Kay VIP customers, or let's call them Fernandez customers, because I already have my other one. VIP team. What do you think? I like that. Okay. So you would just have to add one person to your group, because when you add one person to your group, the group gets started. So I'm going to use Danielle as my example. So here we go. Danielle is being added. Now, this would allow me to add people later. I want you to select private. See, you can do public and you can do private. The private is better. The private, they can only access it is if you give them permission. The visible part is where you can decide if it's anyone who can find this group or it's hidden. I want people to be able to find it. So when they type in the name, they'll be able to find it. And then do I want to pin it to my shortcuts or not? That means that if I click here, it will be on the top right here. Okay, it'll be right there. And then I go create. So now we're creating a group. So now we created it. Now, when you create it, it's going to open to the Fernandez VIP page. Now we're going to upload a picture, but we do that, I'm going to stop sharing this page and share a different page, because you're going to see where the pictures come from. And these pictures are legal. So the first thing I need to do is I need to make sure that on my system, I have my Mary Kay open. And I'll get there first, and then you can come and join me in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen again, and I'm sharing my screen. So now you're in my Mary Kay page that looks just like yours. It's Mary Kay in Touch, and it's just looks just like yours. But there's something called resources on the top of your page. And yes, you can do this on the phone too, but the phone is a little trickier. And then you're gonna go to digital assets. In digital assets, when you go down this way, and it's not loading, you're going to be able to get all the great stuff, like all the product pictures that are legal, so that you can use them with no problem. See, all that fun stuff. Okay, we're going to close that. We're going to go to contest logins, Star Consultant Seminar Awards, new consultant tools, seasonal, celebrating Mary Kay's anniversary, and it says Facebook cover photos. So they're designed long so that you can create it. So you have lots of options. So the next thing we're going to do is decide which one we're going to use. Some of them are pretty and some of them are just there, in my opinion, but oh, I love colors. Let's do colors. Okay, so let's do this one. So you click on the item where it says download, and then you right click on your phone, on your mouse, and you go to save image as. Now, is wherever you want to put it, we're going to put it under selling for this year. So we're going to do it there. That's how I do it on my phone. So now I'm going to stop sharing the screen because you need to go back to the other one. Okay, so let's do share screen. Share screen. So I'm going to go to, yeah, we're going to go here again. And we're going to go to your Facebook. It's going. And you're going to upload that picture that we saved. So we're going to put this picture in here. Okay. And if you want to drag it closer or up or lower, and then you save it. Okay. Then what I'm going to recommend is that you explain what this site is. So this site, we're just having a test site. This site, or you will say, hello, wonderful customer. Thank you for joining our one of a kind community. We add value to women through teaching, about skincare, self-care, and makeup application. Please feel free to add your friends and family to it. Wait, I spelled friends wrong. So that's how you start it, and then you put it in there. You say, okay, post. Now, because we are doing this and I am teaching you how to do it, we're doing it slower. It's taking forever. I think it's because I'm recording it. Okay, now we have the page. It has a name, it has the post, and now we can add people. So I'm going to use Haley. So you see where it says invite people, you could use Haley right there, and she got invited. Or I could use Corey, for example, and I could add her. So all these people have been added to it. Now, I recommend that you follow my instructions and send them a note saying, hey, I would like to invite you to, so you will go here under my new message, and then you pick the person. So for example, if I'm gonna add Gwen, I would say, Gwen, hi Gwen, hi Gwen, hold on. I am running a test. I'm gonna let her know because I don't want her to think it's a true page. Running a test page for education. Would it be okay to add you? And so you just send her a message saying, I would love to add you to my community. Is that all right? And she says yes. And then you close here, and Gwen is already answering me. I knew she would say yes, probably. And then I go Gwen Griffin, okay? So now, when you look here on the left, you will see who your members are. So right now, you don't have any members. You have invited people, but nobody has said yes. And she said yes. Okay, so soon enough, she'll be on there. And this is a discussion, just like any other page. And you can watch a party. You can create a group. So this is how you create your VIP group. And then with time, you're going to start putting all the information I teach you how to do. So every day, you're going to have one post, or every other day, or whatever works for you. And right here, you can also run your videos. So for example, if I'm going to run a video, it's not letting me run a video. Hold on. Why is it not letting me run a video? Oh, you know why? Because I can't seem to do it on my computer. My computer doesn't like me to do live videos. But that's another story. You can do it on yours. Mine just doesn't do it. It's blocked. Okay. So a quick review. On your home page, and if this comes up, we're going to be in business. You go to groups. You create a new group. You give it a title, you give it a name, and you get it started. And that's how you get it started. So if you have any further questions, just let me know. Thank you.